guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I am so excited because I have newness from Klarity Kosmetics. This is their Vespera palette and it is dropping Friday, August the 28th at 11 a.m. CST. Let's take a look at these beautiful 24 shadows. Look at everything you're getting. Klarity Kosmetics has a really beautiful formula, in particular their shimmer formula. You can definitely tell that this is a fall forward palette, gonna take us into winter as well. And of course, you can wear some of these shades year round. I will be creating 2 looks with this gorgeous palette. This palette is going to retail for $58. There are some affiliate codes you can use, like mine, Steff10, and that will save you 10% off of your purchase. I am so excited. Thank you so much to the Klarity Kosmetics team for sending me this in PR and allowing me the opportunity to try it for all of you in the audience. And hopefully I can give you guys some inspiration if you plan on picking this one up. All right, let's dive into Vespera palette. And this is what we're working with. I'm wearing black to work today, so any of these shades is gonna go. What do I feel like doing? I feel like, I don't know, like I want to play with this shade and with this shade as well. I think I'm gonna start here with Mood, and I'm taking the shade on a BK Beauty 212, and wow, that shade has some pigment. I didn't think it was gonna be this pigmented right off, but wow. Klarity Kosmetics has a really, really nice formula. And that is a beautiful shade. This is a shade that you could just do a one and done type thing. It could just be the shade that you wear, or you could use this like all over the lid into the crease and then just pop a little shimmer and be done for the day. I should also let you know that I went in with my Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer. You know what I'm thinking of doing? Exactly what I just said. I'm going to take this down all over the lid. I see a really pretty shimmer that will give us a kind of monochromatic look. And you know what? I'm in a little bit of a hurry today, so that sounds quick and easy, effective, and something that will look really nice. I'm just going to use my powder puff, kind of just touch up these edges a little bit. I think we have a really nice blend. It's not very deep, it's light. I think it's work appropriate. And next, I am going to go in with this shade. See, they're next to each other. I'm going to pick that up with my finger. Oh, these feel so good. And I'm just going to apply that like that, all over the lid. Again, I'm in a bit of a hurry. You might be too. Do one shade all over in the crease, above the crease. Pop a shimmer on there. Watch the magic happen. I'm going to go in with the matte shade, but I'm taking it on a smaller brush. This is a Refer 13 Max, just so I can get a little more precision right out here. And I'm going to clean up right there. First, I'm going to get my powder puff, like that. Then I'm going to get a spoolie and just flick off the rest of the fallout. Okay guys, this was a quick and easy look to recreate. I'm just going to take that same matte shade and do it on the lower lash line. Using a What's Up Beauty brush. This is the R107. Even though this is a large eyeshadow palette, don't be afraid to just use 2 shades. Sometimes we're in a hurry and we need to get the look out fast. I'm just going to get a little bit of that same shimmer, pop it right here in the corner. I will handle my lashes and a little bit of liner off camera. I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 1. I went in with my favorite Shop Miss A Alexis lashes. For the lower waterline, I went in with one of these Charlotte Tilbury. These are her Exagger Eyes eyeshadow sticks. The shade that I picked up is Ballet Quartz. That's in the lower waterline. YSL mascara. And what else? I think that is about it. Oh, a little e.l.f. black eyeliner to tightline the upper waterline. And my lipstick is this a little one from Charlotte Tilbury. I think this is Pillow Talk. It might not be. I just really cannot see what is written on there. But overall, I think the eyeshadow look turned out really well. 2 shades only, 1 matte, 1 shimmer. It is as quick and easy as that. Now let's start creating look number 2. Okay, so I've already primed my eyelids with the Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer. I'm wearing pretty much neutrals to work, a cream color top and maroon pants. So I'm good to create just about anything. And the other day we just used these 2 shadows. I showed you how to do a quick and easy look that still popped and looked put together. But I want to play with some more shades today. And maybe I want to play with some of these beautiful blue shades. We have this nice lavender, this green, this green. Yeah, it might just have to be this green, although I feel like I haven't created a purple look in a bit, so this color could be interesting as well. This one up here too. Maybe I will start with this one in the transition area and then work these 2 and then maybe pop it with this, who knows? But let's start here first with Lavender Crypt. And I'm using my Game Beauty E01 to start applying this in the inner corner, a little bit on the lid, but also I'm gonna kind of just stamp it up here, and then it will blend once I get another shade involved. Really good pigmentation from this lavender shade. All right, next I'm going to go into this shade right here called In the Shadows. Focus this right here in the crease. Okay, I think we have some really nice payoff there. We have a good blend going on. I'm going to keep going with that same brush. Instead of going into this deeper purple, I think I am going to incorporate some of this teal shade right here called Dream. I'm going to start applying that. You'll see a little bit on the lid, but also outward and a bit into the crease. Yeah, I think that looks really good. And then we'll do a shimmer there. Okay, so I'm going to lay down some shimmer primer, more so in the inner half of the lid, and then we'll choose a beautiful shimmer to apply. Okay, now I think to create a nice contrast, I want to go in with maybe something like this. Even this would be fun, but I think I'm leaning more in this direction. Yeah, let's try that one. This shade is somewhat smooth with just a little bit of texture and very little fallout. Has like a gold flecks in it. Okay, so I think it looks really good on the lid. Let's do something for the lower lash line, and I feel like maybe this shade up here would be appropriate. I'm taking this on my What's Up Beauty R107. We'll do another shimmer on the inner corner. All right, so for the inner corner, I'm thinking that I want to do maybe something like this. Let's see. Oh, yeah, perfect. Okay, guys, I'm going to pop off camera to take care of these little finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you the completed look number 2. Okay, guys, so here's the completed look number 2 with the Vespera palette from Klarity Kosmetics. I really love the way this look turned out. I've been wanting to do something purple. Same lashes, my Alexis lashes from Shop Miss A. I went in with a NYX Epic Wear eyeliner on the lower waterline and a little YSL mascara and e.l.f. black eyeliner to tightline the upper waterline. let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. So after playing around with this new Vespera palette, and I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, from Klarity Kosmetics, I think it is a fun fall winter palette. You're getting 24 different shades, a nice mix of matte and neutral shadows. And as you can see, you can take these by columns or even by little quads and create a look from there, or you can just go all over the palette the way I like to do, create looks that way. The formula is really nice. I do recommend a glitter primer. The one I was using is the one from Moira. But for these shimmers, you can apply them with your finger or with a damp brush, however you wish to choose to do so. But I really think you do need some type of a primer underneath it just to help grip the shimmer, and that way you don't get any flakiness. I really love the two looks I created. I created a really quick, fast, easy look for you using only these two shades. This one a little more complex where we kind of played around the palette a little bit. But either way you wish to create looks, just know that you'll get something really beautiful in this Klarity Kosmetics palette. It drops Friday, August the 28th at 11 a.m. CST. It's going to retail for $58, but you can use my affiliate code Steff10 to save 10% off of your order. Let me know which look was your favorite. Are you team 1, 2, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, super important, and I will see you very soon. Bye.